guys, this is Mike from Love to Wander. I'm going to do a little review of the Kamp-Rite Compact Tent Cot Double. Susan and I have been using this for a year and a half now. It's been pretty good. I don't think we've ever put the rain fly on it. And right now the rain fly is stored in the little gear loft that's underneath it. So on the inside here you have 85 inches long and 55 inches wide. Big enough for two 25-inch pads and still have a little room. We have two pockets. We have one on this side and there's one in that corner over there. We've got two windows with zipper closures on each end with no-seam mesh. We have two doors, one on that side and one on this side. We've got no-seam mesh, and then we also have a door. Notice you got a little place here to hang your lantern. The tent weighs 42 pounds. Comes in one shade of green, which is not too bad. It folds down to a 12 by 12 by 45 inch compartment, or fold down into its bag. Sets up pretty easy. I mean, you've seen in my previous videos, it sets up pretty quick. The whole dimensions are 85 inches long, 55 inches wide, and 59 inches tall. It's got about I'd say about 1.5 feet off the ground. It's nice being off the ground, you know, getting older, and makes it easier on putting on your boots in the morning. Here's the logo that's on all the tent with a phone number. You guys can pause it if you want the phone number. But it's been a nice tent. You could also use it without the tent, just as a cot if you want to. You can also use just the tent and no cot. We haven't done that yet, but someday. Okay guys, and also the weight capacity of this tent cot is 500 pounds, which can easily hold 2 people.